Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines for IG Insight on Wednesday the 25th of July. Now we've got a bit of data and more of an earnings focus on proceedings today. Despite this though, Spain's woes are still there. Short-term debt above 7% as well as the headline 10-year figure, which, make no mistake, is not a good sign. Now European markets around flat for the best part. We've seen actually some rebound in the Spanish index, the IBEX, that's up around 1.4%, and focus there shifting to the pivotal region of Catalonia and whether or not they will seek government aid. Now we get the first look at UK GDP for the second quarter today at 9:30. We're expecting a retraction of 0.2%, slightly better than the 0.3% retraction we saw before. And remember, we've got to factor in the weather and the Jubilee weekend into those figures. Now the FTSE is off around 10 points at 54.90. At the bottom end of proceedings, we've got BT down 5% as it reports today, deeply cutting costs to counteract a slide in revenue. Scottish and Southern also down 5%, but that's pretty much all to do with the loss of their dividend attraction. And then we've got results from British American Tobacco and later this morning GlaxoSmithKline, two popular portfolio members. And then at the other end of proceedings, ARM Holdings up 4% despite the Apple miss, which I'll come to next, as second quarter profits at ARM up 23%. Now the big talk from the close from US markets yesterday was of course Apple earnings, which were a rare miss. In fact, the stock closing around $600 but trading over 5% lower after hours. Earnings per share of $9.32 when a figure around the $10.37 mark was expected, and we're expecting this to weigh heavily on US markets today. We're seeing the S&P 500 opening cool lower by 4 points at 1334. That's it from me. Do check out your Insight platform for more news and analysis.